God. Richard, I need you to do the opening ceremony in Salt Lake City. It's so low. Well, maybe they just well done it. Hey, I need some time to get it back. So you start the opening ceremony tonight. No turning back. Look, Richard. I need you to help me now. Start Start the opening ceremony to the Salt Lake City. I'm Reverend. Sing If We Hold On Together. Not about words. To make me He broke out. If you were Polio the 14th, I was saying to you to the Government General United States of America. If we hold on together. If we hold on together. Alright?